Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of November 2023 for all the Leo Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of November for all the Leo Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Leo Ascendant people, Sun controls your first house, means Sun is your Ascendant Lord, and right now your Ascendant Lord is moving in your third house in the sign of Libra. First house deal with you, your personality, your all aspects of life is seen from first house, your general health, your fundamental nature, your fame and your character is also seen from first house. So right now your first house Lord is moving in your third house. Third house deal with your communication, your younger siblings seen from third house, your cousins, your neighbors, your childhood friends, your efforts, how much effort you can put in anything is seen from third house. So right now your first house Lord is moving in third house. So we can expect in the month of November your major focus will be your communication or your younger siblings or your cousins or neighbors, because your first house Lord is right now moving in your third house, and also there are Mercury and Mars is also moving in your third house, so we can expect good result because Mercury controls your 11th house and Mars controls your 9th house, and both the planets are moving in your third house with Sun. So we can expect positive result regarding your work related matter and your earning related matter in the month of November, because your third house Lord is moving in your second house and Sun, your ascendant Lord, is moving in your third house along with Mars and Mercury, which controls your 11th house, house of gain, house of incoming gains, house of hopes and wishes, house of achievement, and ninth house will be your love related matter, your fortune related matter, and Jupiter is also moving in your ninth house. From ninth house Jupiter is aspecting your third house, so we can expect good result regarding your work related matter, regarding your earning, regarding your communication related matter in the month of November. Sun will stay in your third house till 17th of November. After 17th of November, Sun will move to your fourth house in the sign of Scorpio. So when after 17th of November, your ascendant Lord will be moving in your fourth house, then we can expect good result regarding your fourth house related matter. And fourth house deals with your mother, your happiness, your comfort in life, your property related matter, and your vehicle related matter. After 17th of November, we can expect good result regarding your property related matter if you are dealing in properties right now. Also, we can expect good result regarding your mother's health and your relationship with your mother. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Leo Ascendant people in the month of November. For all the Leo Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 11th house and your second house, and right now Mercury is moving in your third house. As we discussed previously in Sun section, Mercury will stay in your third house till 7th of November. After 7th of November, Mercury will move to your fourth house, and Mercury will stay in your fourth house till 27th of November. After 27th of November, Mercury will move to your fifth house in the sign of Sagittarius. So till Mercury is moving in the third house, as we discussed previously, something you will get good result regarding your money related matter, because 11th house will be the gains, your friend circle, your professional circle, your achievement, your hopes and wishes, and fulfillment of hopes and wishes of from 11th house. Second house will be your savings, your money matters, your family lineage, your family history. Your bank account is also seen from second house. A second house Lord and 11th house Lord will be moving in your third house till 7th of November. So we can expect good result regarding your money related matter as well in the month of November. After 7th of November, when Mercury will move to your fourth house, then we can expect good result regarding your property related matter if you are dealing in properties right now, because your house of gains Lord will be moving in your house of homes and house of property. Also Mercury controls second house. Second house controls your wealth, your savings, your money matters. And after 7th of November, Mercury will move to your fourth house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your home related matter, your property related matter, as we discussed previously in Sun section, because Sun will also move to your fourth house after 17th of November. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Leo Ascendant people in the month of November. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Leo Ascendant people, Venus controls your 10th house and your third house. And right now Venus is moving in your second house in the sign of Virgo, where Ketu is also moving from 30th October 2020. Ketu is just moved from your third house to your second house after 30th October 2023. So we can expect you will face some difficulty in argument, separation from your family due to any reason, because Ketu is right now moving in your second house, and second house will be the family. We can also expect that you will face many difficulties in saving money after 30th October 2023, because Ketu is moving in your second house, and Ketu creates separation, Ketu creates detachment, Ketu don't like to save money. So right now your 10th house Lord and your third house lord. As we discussed previously in sun section, right now moving in your second house, Venus. So we can expect you will get good result regarding your work related matter. As we discussed previously in sun section, you will do a lot of effort in the month of November, especially before 17th of November, because then your first house lord is moving in third house, and third house lord is moving in your second house, which controls your work as well. And right now Venus is moving in the house of money, so that's why we were saying in sun section and Mercury section you will get good result regarding the money related matter in the month of November. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of November. Now let's talk about moon. For all the Leo ascendant people, moon controls your 12th house, and right now moon is moving in your 12th house in its own sign. Means right now moon is moving in Cancer sign. The positions of planets you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of November. And on the basis of 6th November, we are predicting for whole month because moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon for every house in single video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, issues and difficulties are always associated with these house. And moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon can influence very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, in transit during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, and especially issues, problem and difficulty will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Leo ascendant people, Mars controls your ninth house and your fourth house. And right now, Mars is moving in your third house along with Sun and Mercury. Ninth house deal with your father, your fortune is seen from ninth house, your luck related matter is seen from ninth house, your post higher education means your post grade education is seen from ninth house, your travel related matter is seen from ninth house, your teachers, your mentors, your guider, your advisor, your lawyers, and your second marriage is also seen from ninth house. Fourth house deal with your home, your properties, your vehicles, your comfort, your mother is seen from fourth house. So right now, fourth house lord and your ninth house lord is moving in your third house, and from third house, Mars is expecting its own house, means your ninth house, and Jupiter is also moving there, as we discussed previously in sun section. So we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter in the month of November if you want to travel somewhere in the month of November, because third house will be short distance travel and ninth house will be long distance travel, and your long distance travel lord is right now moving in short distance travel house. So we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter in the month of November. Also, we can expect good result regarding your education related matter if you are in education life right now, if you are doing any post-grade education in your life. So we can also expect good result regarding your education related matter and your higher study. After 17th of November, Mars will move to your fourth house in its own sign. So after 17th of November, as we discussed previously in sun section, you will get good result regarding your home related matter and your property related matter, because Sun will also move from your third house to your fourth house after 17th of November along with Mars. So we can expect good result regarding your fourth house matter after 17th of November. So we will have 5 major astrological events in the month of November. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your third house, and Sun will stay in your third house till 17th of November. After 17th of November, Sun will move to your fourth house in the sign of Scorpio. Second major astrological event is that Saturn is right now moving in your seventh house, and right now Saturn is moving in its retrograde motion. But after 3rd November 2023, Saturn will turn into its direct motion in your seventh house. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your third house, but after 17th of November, along with Sun, Mars will also move to your fourth house in the sign of Scorpio. Fourth major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your third house, and after 7th of November, Mercury will move to your fourth house in the sign of Scorpio. And after 27th of November, Mercury will move to your fifth house from your fourth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Fifth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your second house, and Venus is just moved from your first house to your second house after 3rd November 2023. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of November 2023 for all the Leo ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.